Hi, my name is Berjan, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I got this look using curly clip-in extensions from Curl Queens. The extensions will be linked down below. I got the 16-inch, so if you're interested in this look, keep watching. This is the hair that we are starting out with today. I went on ahead and got the Water Kinky Curly clip-ins in a 16-inch. When you are dealing with 4C hair type, it is best to match with your exact hair texture to benefit from lengthening and layering. Now I'm gonna go in with washing my hair and braiding it down. Before I wash it, I'm gonna be using a hair mask by Sienna Naturals. It is their Plant Power Strengthening Hair Mask. It smells so good. So I'm gonna wet my hair, leave this hair mask in for like 10 minutes, then hop in the shower, shampoo and condition my natural hair, and then wash the clip-ins. Now that I am officially done washing my hair, it is time to moisturize my hair. And I'm going to be using one of my favorite products to moisturize my hair. It's going to be some almond oil, pure 100% almond oil, just to keep my hair moisturized. I did already put in the leave-in conditioner, so now I'm just going to moisturize my scalp. I'm going to create some leave out. Now that I am done styling my hair, I just did some flat twists just to hold my natural hair down while I put the clip-ins in. I always like to do a nice little like twist out. My hair looks super healthy. Let's get into putting these clip-ins in my hair. Now let's get into the fun part, which is blending. I actually thought this was going to be shorter than expected, but it's actually really long for a 16-inch. I love how full these extensions are. I did not expect these extensions to look so much like my natural hair, so I'm super happy about that. Now to define my curls, I'm going to be using Sienna Naturals Dream Curl Mousse. I love this stuff so much and it smells amazing. That is a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.